Hello guys and welcome back to another video on the Tech Tips Today YouTube channel. Today we're going to be reviewing something a little different. So this is a nifty little website slash program called Ninite, and I use it all the time whenever I have to whenever I get a new hard drive or a new device, laptop, whatever it is, I use Ninite. So basically what it does is it downloads everything at once. So for instance, we're going to do a little test run here. So you say you wanted Chrome, then you've messaging. So in web browser, your choice between Chrome, Opera, and Firefox. In messaging, you've Skype, Pigeon, Thunderbird. Some of these I haven't heard. Yahoo. In media, you've iTunes, VLC, loads of different audio or media players, Audacity, Spotify, QuickTime, Java 8, Net, Silverlight, Air, and Shockwaves. These are all the run times. Then you've like Paint, which is a free version of Photoshop, basically. Picasso, which is like a photo storage website thing. GIMP, which is similar to Paint.net, and all these other ones I've never used. Then you've Open Office, which is basically free version of Word, basically. All these other things. You've Avast, which is a free. All these are free security software. I use Avast. You've file sharing, developer tools like the Java JDK, Notepad++, FileZilla, which is a FTP file sharing site, and then you've Eclipse, which is a developer program for Java, an IDE. Then you've Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, BitTorrent Sync, Evernote, Google Earth, Steam, KeePass 2, all that jazz. Then you've utilities like Terracopy and Winderstat, which is basically it shows you everything that you have in your hard drive. This is for copying over hard drives, stuff like that. WinRAR, 7-zip, your compression and extraction softwares. So basically, once you've selected what you want, you literally click Get Installer. You let it download. My internet's really slow. There we go. And it'll go into my downloads folder, and you literally just click Run, and it will install it all. No installers. They'll just install with the one Ninite installer. You don't get the individual installers. I'm not going to click on it because I already have all that stuff, and I don't want to download them twice. So I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Leave a like if you want to see more stuff like this. Bye bye.